Okay, so I thought I'd show some of the tools I've been using to tear down the Scamper camper. Great cleaning device. Don't have to worry where it's been. Good crowbar. And shorter versions of that. I use this guy quite a bit to kind of lift some of the putty stuff. Had a lot of putty stuff I had to take out. For cutting sheet metal. This is great for scraping putty too. Small screwdriver, another kind of pry bar. Nice because you can hit it on the end. Go. And this guy, invaluable. Gotta have your hammer. These gloves have gone the distance on this one project, so I thought that it'd be fitting that they got listed in with tools. I used this a little bit. It's a ratchet wrench, but just to have a screwdriver. That was what was most of the screws on the whole thing. It's not as common in America. Well, I mean, not that I'm aware of. Always brushes. A permanent marker. There's another one of these guys, magnetized. And this is only about half the screws. This guy used quite a bit, probably not like it's supposed to be used, but when you're trying to take out screws that don't want to come out, you could get it under there and hold it good. And plus, cutting the wire. I had this, didn't use that much. This was for measuring to make sure I had pieces of aluminum within 2 by 4 foot for the recycling. And this guy with a couple different bits. There you have it. Tools of the trade. Stool is important. Lots of little boxes. Different places to put stuff. That's important. I'm an extreme sorter because I don't want to touch the stuff more than once. So the first time I touch it, it goes exactly where it needs to go. So like trash. And you got to just, on your own project, figure out what that is to begin with. You know, what can go to recycling, what can go to trash. So I try to keep as much separate as possible in the beginning because I might find something different along the way. Like I might find out that one thing can't be recycled, and I was keeping it all. And so this is all the miscellaneous metal. And also there's sheet metal, but there's plastics, there's all the hardware. All the plastic stuff from the windows. I got 7 windows and a door. With both parts, the inner and the outer part. And this is great. So here is manufactured model number 85, pre-built manufacturer Lethbridge, Alberta. This vehicle, okay, June 23rd, 1971. Serial number 7185-08974.